So, welcome again. This is the last formula for energy, work and energy for these topics which we have covered. That is, the engine of jet builder fighter develops a thrust, thrust of not thrust, a thrust of 3000 Newton. What horsepower does it at a velocity of 600 meter per second? So basically, you are asked power. So here is the formula, another relation of the power. Force, dot product of force and velocity. If you see that power is basically P, that is equal to work done per time. So if you break it, that is basically work is calculated by using force into displacement divided by time. Here is force. And if you look at this is the displacement covered per unit time. If you break the formula for the power, it becomes velocity. So the power is also defined as the dot product of force and velocity. So here you are using from this. Sometimes if you are given velocity or you are given force, then you can calculate power. So here is it is. So because the force and velocity are along the same direction, so that's why the angle between the two will be 0 and cos 0 is 1. You will put the value of the force, you will put the values of the velocity, and then you will calculate the power. This power is in watt. 1 horsepower is equal to 746 watt, and you will put 746 watt. You will divide it to convert into horsepower. So this will be the amount of power. So what was here in this case, the power is the dot product of force and velocity. So by using this technique or the relation, you have calculated that that is F dot V means force dot product of force and velocity is also power. So with this, you have completed your problems related to work, energy and power. This was another concept of the work. If you know the value of the force, you know through which the object is moving, like this case, then you will take the dot product of the two. You will be asked to calculate the power, you will multiply the two. But if you are asked to calculate power in horsepower, you will divide with 746. You will be getting force in horsepower. Thank you very much for your question.